Let's open 3 lilac mystery bags. The big question is, how many extra bags will we actually get in this order? Bag number 1. A sleek silver tone ring. Love the unique shape. It's edgy but perfect for any outfit. Next one. A beautiful drop pendant. And wait, we got a clear bead. That means 1 extra mystery bag added to the pile. Third bag. This stunning ring with a gray stone. It's absolutely breathtaking, don't you think? Moving on to our bonus bags. Bag 4 gives us another ring and another clear bead. This order just keeps growing. And the final surprise. A gorgeous Y-shaped tie necklace. So chic. We started with 3 bags and ended up with 5 amazing pieces. What a haul! How do you like this collection?